family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be another house video. I'm going to be showing you guys all my design ideas and just basically brainstorming and showing you guys my inspiration for the new house. As you can see, I am sitting in the new house. I've already done the kitchen and I have a few pieces for the living room and the dining room that I wanted to show you guys. So that is what this video is going to be about. I feel like it's more like a haul video, but I'm going to also explain to you guys what my thought process is and my vision, I guess, is for the new house. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys the stuff and then I'll show you guys what I plan to do with it. And I'll probably include some pictures of, I guess, inspiration of what I'm going for the new house. So if you want to see all these things, then please stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, so welcome back to the video. So first thing first, let me tell you guys what my thought process or my inspiration is. So I'm going for open and airy. I'm going for really light colors. For those of you guys who have been following me for a while, you know that I always like light color furniture just because it opens up the space a lot more than darker colors. So this time I went super white, especially for the living room and the dining room. The dining room might be a little darker, but for the living room, you guys have already seen the couch and sofa that I picked out. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below so you guys can see. But it is an off-white couch. So it might look white in some settings, but it's like a pretty creamy off-white color. So that is the base color. And then the rug as well is gonna be pretty much white. And most of the pillows are gonna be pretty much white, but I'm thinking for the dining room, I want to do something just a tiny little bit darker. And then I'm going to blend everything so it all matches up, just because the living room and the dining room is one big open space. So I want to be able to carry that over in both spaces so it doesn't look like it's two separate rooms. So first thing first, let me show you guys what the living room couch or sofa color is. So I have one pillow here from the couch and I'm going to show you guys. So that is basically what the sofa looks like and the two chairs. So all three of them are the same color. First of all, let me just say that I don't know if the lighting is going to do everything justice, but I'll try my best to explain to you guys exactly what you're seeing. So anyways, this is the color of the sofa. So like I said, this is what all the pillows look like. The reason I wanted to go for white or all white is because I've always, even as a little girl, I've always wanted that one room that nobody messes around in. Just that pretty room that your mom didn't let you go into, that you weren't even allowed to look at. I've always wanted a room like that, but also I wanted it to be functional. So I didn't go all the way white, but I just feel like it's pretty, it's my style, it's my house. So I just wanted to make my own dreams come true. So this is basically what the couch looks like. So up next, as you guys can see, the walls are kind of gray. It's actually not gray, it's a pretty light bluish grayish color. So I painted the living room white, but the rest of the places have this pretty gray color. So I wanted to incorporate that so it doesn't look weird. So I went ahead and got some pillows also for the sofa that's gonna incorporate everything. So this right here is the pillow I was telling you guys about. So as you can see, it also has the off-white and then it has the grays and it has this pretty design. I mean, look at that. Super pretty, right? And then when you put these two together, they match perfectly. So because I wanted to have just a tiny little bit of, I guess not color, but I just didn't want it to be super all white. So that is why I got these pillows. There's actually two of them. So there's this one and this one. So these two are gonna go in the big chair. And the chair is super huge, guys. You can fit at least 5 people in there, and it's also really deep. This is actually the smallest pillow. I'll show you guys one of the bigger ones, or maybe the tall skinny one, so you can see how long the couch is. So this pillow here, this long thing here, so this one goes on the arm. So when you sit, this is how long my arm is, and this is how much more length you have. So yeah, the couch is pretty big, and you guys will get to see that soon, but it's pretty big and it has lots and lots of pillows. Again, you guys will get to see that, but I just wanted to have a little bit of pop of color in there. So that is why I picked out those gray pillows. So guys, please bear with me because I'm not going in a specific order. I'm just grabbing things and showing you guys. So the next thing I want to show you guys is this beautiful tray. I think I got this tray from at home a long time ago. I've had this for a while and I feel like I already showed you guys, but I just wanted to show you guys again because it is really one of my inspiration for what I'm going for. So this tray right here, it's super heavy, y'all, but let me show you guys. So this tray, so the middle is marble, that is why it's super heavy, and then the sides are gold. So this is super pretty. This is going to go in the middle of my coffee table, and this is where I'm gonna contain all my coffee table decor, because as you guys know, I don't know if I've told you guys before, but the best way to keep all your cute little knickknacks organized is to have a tray to put them in. So I'm gonna put them in this tray right here. And I'm also, speaking of that, I'm also going to be mixing my metals. A lot of people think you can't really mix your metals, like your silvers and golds, but you actually can, and it's actually in now. So I have a lot of pieces that's going to show you guys that. The next piece I want to show you guys is this mirrored vase right here. This is super cute. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this yet, but it just looks super cute. It looks like you can put some flowers in here. You can also just set this anywhere. The bottom of it is crystal. You can't really tell, but it's crystal. And then this part is mirrored. So I'm probably just gonna put some flowers in here and set them somewhere. The next things I have here are some throw blankets. So first thing first, I'm gonna show you guys this one. And this is what the bottom looks like. This is super pretty. Again, it has that off-white. It has the off-white here. And then it also has the gray that I'm trying to incorporate. And when I hold it up like this, you can see that it matches the walls a little bit. And then the walls of the living room are now white. I don't know if you guys have seen that video, but I actually painted the walls white. I also painted the fireplace. I'll just leave all these videos, but the playlist for my house decor / update is called Mercy's Dream House. So if you want to see all of this, just go ahead and click on the playlist and you'll see all the videos I have on there so far. But yeah, this is the first throw blanket. This is going to match perfectly with my couch, my pillows, and also the dining room. So the next throw blanket on my list is this guy right here. I think you guys have seen this one before. I actually got this one from at home a while back. I think it was during Christmas time. So this guy is super cute. Also off-white, so it matches the couch perfectly. And then last but not least for the throw blankets is this one. You guys have probably seen this one as well too. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I love my throw blankets to have these tassel things. That's why all of them have them. Okay, so moving back on to some more pillows. Again, it is springtime. I'm trying to incorporate some spring colors. You guys have probably seen these, but I'm gonna show you guys them. But the first one here is this right here. This is a cute rose gold pillow. I feel like when I move it, the lighting gets really bad. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is what the whole thing looks like. And then it has this little comfy, whatever this is. I'm not sure what that's called. But whenever I get pillows, I like to get pillows that has zippers. Because when your pillows have zippers, that means that you can take it out, take the cushions out, and actually wash your pillows. So I always look for pillows that has zippers. That way you can reuse them over and over and over, because some pillows you only use once, and as soon as it gets dirty, you have to throw it out and maybe buy new ones. So this one right here has the zipper in the back. That's what it is. As you can see, I got this one from TJ Maxx, but this is the zipper, so you can open that zipper, wash it if it needs to be washed. The next pillow I'm gonna show you guys actually incorporates all the colors that I'm going for, and it is this guy right here. So it has my silvers in there, it has my off-white, and then it has this rose gold pink that I love. So this is what this guy looks like. So this guy has the zipper on the side, so you can again just open it up, take the cushions out and wash it. But this is what the back looks like. It just has the off-white, but then on this side is where the design is. Super cute pillow. But yeah, this one I think I got from at home. This one was from at home. So lastly for the pillows is this guy. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is a silver pillow. It's a pretty big pillow as well. And this one is by a company called BB. They have really cute stuff, by the way. And I have a super cute mirror from them. But this is the company. It's called BB right there. And this one also has a zipper. You might not need to wash this because it's kind of like a leathery kind of material. But you have the zipper right there that you can open it up and maybe sanitize the cushion or wipe this down just to keep it clean and cute. So that is it for the pillows. The next thing I'm going to show you guys are some curtains. So I don't know if you guys know this, but our living room has really tall ceilings. And when I put curtains up, I like them to go all the way up to the ceiling because that is how you can elongate the room, or that is how you can also make the room look taller. And it's also really just cute. I was looking for curtains. I went to all the stores you can think of, and the tallest they had were, I think, 96 inches. So you had to order them online. So I was actually looking on Amazon and I found this great company that has really tall curtains. So they have up to 150 inches, even up to 200. So I needed something between 120 and I think 150 inches. And I actually got that. It was kind of expensive. I think it was like 50 something dollars for one panel, but I went ahead and got it because that's exactly what I want. The quality is awesome. It I don't know how to explain that, but it just helps the air not escape from the house. And it's also black out, and the fabric is really nice as well. So I didn't mind paying that much for a curtain. I usually pay like $12.99 or $19.99 for curtains. So $50 to $60 is a lot for curtains, but if it's really what you want, then I feel like it's priceless. So this is what the curtains look like. As you can see, the thing is big because the curtain itself is really long. And I don't want to take it out of the thing yet, but I'll show you guys what the fabric looks like. And you guys will see when I put this up anyways. But I'm just going to show you what the fabric looks like. See how luxurious and just expensive looking that is? And like I said, it is black out. It saves energy because it keeps the air from escaping. And over all of that is actually what I really wanted. So I ended up getting about, I want to say 5 of these, because it's going to be 2 per window and I have 3 windows. So I have the 2 big ones on this side and then I have one really big wide one on that side. So yeah, that is what the curtain looked like. Okay, family, the next few things I'm going to show you guys are actually kind of heavy. So I don't know how I'm going to do this. But first I'll show you guys the dining chair and then I'll show you guys 2 really cute mirrors that I have for the dining room and the living room. So let me show you guys that. So the first furniture piece that I want to show you guys here is this mirror table. So this is the end table. I have 2 of these and it's fully mirrored. So there's mirrors all over it. So this is going to give the illusion of more space. So I actually have 2 of these. I'm only showing you one because the other one looks exactly like this one. So this is actually going to go on both sides of the sofa. So the next thing I want to show you guys here is our dining chair. This is what this guy looks like. It has these cute little buttons on the sides of it and also on the bottom here. Super cute. So the fabric is kind of grayish and it has a little off-white in there. And the bead things goes all the way around it. So our dining table is actually a round glass table. So we actually got 4 of these. These look super good and perfect in the space. It also has some of that gold I was going for. And then as I told you guys, I wanted the dining furniture to be a little darker than the living room. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys here is this cute little mirror here. Again, it's by BB. I love the fact that it's not like, one big piece of mirror. You guys know that I love mirrors. So this one, I'm not sure where it's going to go yet, but there's a good chance it's going to go in either the living room or the dining room. So you guys tell me down below where you think it should go. But yeah, that is basically what that looks like. So last but not least in this haul is this beautiful mirror. I think you guys have already seen this in one of my videos, but this guy is super cute. I got this from at home. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is just my idea for our dream home. You guys leave comments down below if there's something specific you want to see, or if there's a specific video you would like to see. But I'm going to show you guys when I put all of this together. And I've also ordered some stuff, so not everything is fully in yet. So I still have a lot of stuff coming, like my shelves and just stuff like that. So I'm going to be showing you guys all of those things. I have my rugs, both for the dining room and the living room. I have some mirrors. I have some cute little vases and just a whole bunch of other stuff. But these are the stuff that I have right now, and these are the things that I'm going to start to set up. So that is why I wanted to show them to you guys. With that being said, thank you guys again for all your love and support. I know you guys love these videos, so I'm going to try to keep them coming. And if you did like this one, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the bell notification button so you never miss another video again. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.